For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtain. The first number is 252. Okay, 252, and we need to find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square number. So let's find out the prime factorization of this number first, 252. So it's even number divisible by 2, 2 1 j, 2 2 j 4, 2 6 j 12. Again divisible by 2, so 2 6 j 12. Now it's not divisible by 2, however it is divisible by 3. So divide 3 2 ja 3 1 ja. Again divisible by 3. 3 7 ja 21. Now 7, and we get finally 1. Now we can say, we can write it 252 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 7. And we can see that we are getting pairs. The prime factor 2 and 3 are in pairs, but we do not have the third factor, which is 7. This one is not in pair. To get this a perfect square, we should have 7. We should multiply this number by 7, right? So you can say, therefore, 252 should be multiplied by multiplied by 7 to get a perfect square, of course. And multiply this by 7, what you know, the required number is 252 multiplied 7. What do you get? 7 2 is 14, 7 5 is 35, and 136. 7 2 is 14, and 14 and 3 is 17. 1764. All right, and then in the second part they're asking also find the square root of the number so obtained. That means they are asking a square root of, let's write it here, square root of 1764 will be, take one factor and one more factor, because 1724, if we could write it somewhere here, okay, in this space, 1764, its factor would be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7 and times 7. And then we take one factor from every pair, and the square root of 1764 is 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 7. Now 6 7 ja 42. So the square root of the number so obtained is 42. For second part, 180 is the number. So let's factorize 180. Prime factorization of 180, divisible by 2, this is 90. Again divide by 2, you get 45. Now it's not divisible by 2, so try dividing by 3, so you get 15 times. Again divisible by 3 5 times. Now 5 and 1. So we can write 180 as prime factors of 180 are 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 and 5. more 3 and 5. To find a number by which it should be multiplied, we can see that we have a pair of prime factor 2, we have a pair of prime factor 3, but 5 is not paired. So we can write, therefore 180 should be multiplied by 5, and we get 900. And then they're asking the second part, find the square root of the number so obtained. So the factor of 900 first, 900 would be all factors we will write as it is, and then since we multiplied the number by 5, so we add one more factor 5. Finally, we can write it like this: a square root of 900, uh, square root of 900 is equal to 2, 1, 2, and 3. Yes, so 2 into 3 into 5, 6 5s are 30. So the square root of number so obtained is 30. Let's see the next one, and the next one is third part, and it is 1008. Third part is 1008. In all of these questions, we are going to use the same technique. We will do prime factorization, 5 times 0 4, prime factorization 2 times half of 504, 2 to the 4, 2 5s are 10, and 2 2s are 4. One more time, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6. One more time, 2 6 are 2 3s are. Well, now it's divisible by 3, 3 2s are 3 1s are. One more times, 3 7, and now 7, and you get 1. So prime factorization of this number 1008 is equal to 4 times 2 and 2 times 3 times 7. Again, if we see carefully here, 2 is paired, but we have 1 7 which is not paired, 1 prime factor 7. So therefore 1008 should be multiplied by 7 to get a perfect square. So what is that number when we multiply 1008 by 7? Can we write it up there? So 8 7 are 56, 6 5 0 7 7056. Now the factors of 7056, now 7056 can be written as, what will be factor of 7056? All factor will appear as it is, 2 into 2 times 2 times 2, and also you will have 3 times 3, and you will also have a pair of 7 now. Therefore the square root, when you put square root over here, 7056, and then you write 2 one time, one time, one time, one time. Yes, you take one factor out of every pair. 2 to 4, 4 3 are 12, and 12 into 7. 12 7 are 84. Okay. Likewise, we can take all these numbers. Let's see the next one, 2028. Now 2028. All we need to do is prime factorization. So 2 1 time, 0 time, 1 time, 4 time. Yes, one more time, 2. 2 5s. Now 1 not divisible, so 0, and 2 7s are 14. Now 507 is of course not divisible by 2. So you will test divisibility by 3. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is. Why? How do you know? Because the sum of the digit 5 plus 7 is 12, which is divisible by 3. That means this number must be divisible by 3. Check it how many times now. 3 1 ja 3, 2 0 20, 3 6 ja 18, and 3 9 ja 27. Now 169, you know it's a square of 13. Otherwise, you will check like this, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 7. And then you will check by 11 also. Finally, it will be divisible by 7, by 13. But if you already know that 169 is the square of 13, so you know 13 is a prime number. So simply 13, 169, 13 times, and then 13, 1. And now prime factors of this number, we can write 2028 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 13 times 13. So the 13 and 2 has pair. However, this 3 doesn't have pair. So that means we should multiply this number 2028 by 3 to get a perfect square. If we multiply this by 3, we get every prime factor in pairs. That means it is a perfect square. Multiplying this by 3, we get the number here. 8 3 is 24, 2 3 is 6, 6 and 2 is 8, 0, 2 3 is 6, 6 0 4 8 8 4. And now we can write the factors of 6084 also. If you will find the prime factor just like this, you will see that the factors, you will get all these factors and you will get 1 3 extra. So we are going to write them all together here. We are getting factors 2 times 2, and we are getting pair of 3 also, because we have brought this 3, and then this is to be multiplied 13 times 13. And if you write square root of 6084, that will be 2 times 3 times 13. That is 6 into 13, which is 78. Just like these questions, we can also find prime factorization and see which one is not paired and multiply by that number and then find the square root of the number. I think you can do the rest two parts. I leave them as practice for you, and I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.